Today we're discussing commercial sidewalk repair laws, who is liable, the key factors and what to consider. Starting with commercial sidewalk repair laws, who is liable? Property owner is liable for trip hazards 1/4 inch. Grind them down immediately. Quick answer: concrete walkway should be 3 feet wide minimum, 4 feet preferred, 4 inches thick, with control joints every 4 to 5 feet. Slope away from house at 1/4 inch per foot. Next, commercial sidewalk repair laws, who is liable? Complete guide: commercial property owners are legally responsible for maintaining safe sidewalks. Understanding liability, trip hazard requirements, and when repairs are mandatory protects you from lawsuits and ensures public safety. This guide covers the legal requirements and your obligations. Regarding property owner liability, commercial property owners are liable for sidewalk condition. This is a legal responsibility, not optional maintenance. On legal basis, property owners control the sidewalk adjacent to their property. Legal duty to maintain safe conditions. Next, trip hazard definition: 1/4 inch. Any vertical displacement greater than 1/4 inch is considered a trip hazard. This is the standard threshold used by most jurisdictions in ADA, Americans with Disabilities Act, requirements. For more information or to request a free estimate, visit localconcretecontractor.com.